Hello everyone. So in this video we'll see stocks for tomorrow, 22nd June. And the first stock in FNO is Naukri, which will buy above 5100. Second stock is Bajaj Finserv, which will buy above 12,220. And I think it is coming around 12,208. So we can do this 12,210. So you can check high. And then we have Hind Unilever. So this stock has given breakout today and it has exactly taken resistance around 2530. So now we'll buy above 2530, and this is actually a slow mover, so it may not give you that much great return in intraday, but still chart structure looks good. Then we have Pidilite Industry, which will buy above 2160. Then we have Titan we can buy above this swing high 1750. And in intraday we have Kaveri Seeds, KSCL. This we can buy above this big green candle above 738. 738, or safe side we can buy above 740. Then we have Aris. Aris we will buy above this swing high 735 whenever it breaks, maybe tomorrow or after a few days. So this will buy above 735. Then we have Galaxy Surfactants. This will buy above 3140. This is making a kind of a uh, W pattern. It is still in progress. The confirmation will come above this neckline. So we'll buy here 3140. Then we have Suntech. Suntech, this was previous resistance. So if it breaks this 320, we can buy this in intraday. All these are intraday. And then we have in cash stocks, we have Savita Oil Technology. This we can buy above 1390. Gravita we can buy above this high 133. Then we have Acrysel. Acrysel we can, if we ignore this wick, we can take risk around this 580 level, or safe side we'll buy above this high 600. And its circuit limit is 10%, so it will come around I think 625, depends where it opens. And if you want to check circuit limit of any stock, you can go to that BSE website. So for example, you want to check circuit limit for Acrysel, so what you can type is BSE Acrysel, and you can click on that and you will get the limit here. So this is 10% limit. So like that, you can check. Then we have Stovecraft. It has taken support and bounced today, and this we can buy above this 625 level. Then we have Kiri Industry. Kiri Industry has a long-term resistance around 680 level. So today it made high of 679. So we'll buy above this 680. And NRB Bearing, this will buy above this level, which is 138.5. I will write it. So this we have to buy above 138.5. Then we have Goldium. Goldium will buy above 470. Today in the end it has made a small wick around I think yesterday I have given the level was 468. It had made a small wick around 3 p.m. So generally avoid stocks after 3 p.m. or 2:45. So this we can buy a 470. NDR Auto you can keep in radar whenever it breaks this 285 level. This I will keep in the risky one. So these are little low market cap stocks. The one is MMP. The breakout will come over 120. Then we have High Tech Corporation. High Tech Corporation, you can see it has given a breakout of very long term, and then it had made a hammer around the support area. So we can buy this about 265. And then we have Khetan Chemical. This we can buy about 54. And we have Century Inca. This is also kind of making a flag, but we'll buy this above 420. So these are stocks for tomorrow, and few stocks I have which are currently at their support level. If you can use it in swing trading, or somehow you can keep small stop loss. Like one is Kirloskar Engineering. This is also around its support. And we have Mahindra Holiday. This is also the previous trend line breakout it has given, and it is bouncing from that support. Guz Alkali, this is also coming near to support area. And Spark also, it has actually bounced from this support region. So in this you can, if you are looking for positional with a small risk, you can buy. Stovecraft, yesterday actually I want to share, but I missed that, and today it moved. Then we have Confipet, Confidence Petroleum. This is also kind of making a range. Concor also. This is also its previous breakout level. Then we have VGuard. VGuard has given breakout of this 250 255 level, and it has taken support, so this also can move. Goa Carbon, it may approach this 370 level. Themis Medicare, this is also, you can say, a small support area. Jubilee Industry, this is also a kind of support here in 280 level. Net Parox, this is also a support for net peroxide. So this is for today. Thank you everyone.